captain's hat on again. And how satisfying is this? Australia's a tough competition. They've come in India's way before. How satisfying is this?
No, it is quite satisfying, especially when you play like that. We know the opposition and the threat that they bring with them as well. But I thought overall as a team, we played well. We kept doing the things that we are supposed to do and that we know the best. We can take a lot of confidence from a game like that.
We've talked about this before, and I've talked to you about your batting, but that really set it up, didn't it? I mean, when you got 200, do you think it was enough?
Yeah, I mean, look, 200, obviously it's a good score, but, when you're playing on a ground like this where, wind is such a big factor, anything is possible. But I thought we used the conditions again really well, and that's all about it. When you play in grounds like this, you got to understand what you need to do as individuals, let alone the team. But I think whichever individual comes into the party, they need to do their job. And we've spoken a lot about how we want to do things, and I thought it was very pleasing to see how we were, getting through those overs and getting the wickets at the same time as well.
You held your nerve when Head and Maxwell were batting, and then of course there was Kuldeep. You didn't play Kuldeep in the early part of the tournament. See, how good has he been here?
No, obviously, we understand the strength that he has, but you got to use it when it's necessary. And I thought when we were playing in New York, it was quite a seamer-friendly pitches. We wanted an extra seamer there. Unfortunately, he had to miss out, but we know that he had a big role to play when we move forward, and he's come here, done the job for us in the last two games. So we understand, what he brings to us. So again, that's what I want. That's what I'm looking for from the team. Everyone trying to come and play their role and do it perfectly.
You've talked about the conversations that you have with the players very often. Once again, India have maxed the early stages of the tournament. Now the knockouts start in Guyana. Are the conversations different when you get to a knockout?
No, I don't think so. We don't want to do anything different. We want to play the same way that we've been playing, understand what individual needs to do at certain point in time of the game, and then play freely. That is what we want to do. Not try to think too much about what's lying ahead for us, what opposition we play, and things like that. It's important that we play our cricket, and we play our cricket well, and that's the focus. That's what we want to do. So far we've been doing that consistently. Now, the semi-finals, we got to try and do the same things.
Tough match against England. Once again, they're players that you know very well. They play an aggressive brand of cricket.
Yeah.
It'll be an interesting match against England.
Yeah, it'll be nice. For us, again, like I said, nothing changes for us. We want to focus on what we want to do as a team, and then take the game on.
We look forward to that. That's in Guyana, of course, different conditions, but very well played today.
Thank you very much.